React. JS. Purpose: a JavaScript library for building user interfaces, particularly single-page applications. Key features: declarative syntax, write 3. JS code using JSX. Hooks, leverage React hooks for lifecycle management. Performance, optimized for performance with React's reconciliation process. Installation, copy, npm install at React 3/fiber. Example. Here's a simple example using React 3 Fiber to create a rotating cube. Copy, import React from React. Import canvas from at React 3/fiber. Const box equals return mesh rotation equals math pi/4 math pi/4 0 box geometry args equals 1 1 1 slash mesh standard material color equals orange slash mesh. Const scene equals return canvas ambient light slash point light position equals 10 10 10 slash box slash canvas. Export default scene. 2. Managing state with React. You can manage the state of your 3.js scene using React state management features. This allows for dynamic updates based on user interactions or other events. Example. Here's how you can change the color of a cube based on a button click. Copy, import React, use state from React. Import canvas from at React 3/fiber. Const box equals color equals return mesh box geometry args equals 1 1 1 slash mesh standard material color equals color slash mesh. Const scene equals const color set color equals use state orange. Return canvas ambient light slash point light position equals 10 10 10 slash box color equals color slash canvas. Button on click equals set color equals orange blue orange change color slash button. Export default scene. 3. Handling user interactions. You can easily handle user interactions like mouse clicks and movements within your 3.js scenes. This can be achieved using event listeners or React synthetic events. Example. Adding click events to change the cube's position. Copy, import React, useref from React. Import canvas from at React 3/fiber. Const box equals const meshref equals useref. Const handle click equals meshref current position x plus equals 1. Return meshref equals meshref on click equals handle click. Box geometry args equals 1 1 1 slash mesh standard material color equals orange slash mesh. Const scene equals return canvas ambient light slash point light position equals 10 10 10 slash box slash canvas. Export default scene. 4. Performance optimization. When integrating 3.js with React, consider optimizing performance, especially for complex scenes. Use memo and use callback. Memoize objects and functions to prevent unnecessary re-renders. Reduce render calls. Limit the number of objects being rendered or use instancing for similar objects. Optimize textures. Use compressed textures and lower resolutions where possible. 5. Advanced features. Animations. Use libraries like React Spring or the built-in animation system in 3.js for smooth animations. Post-processing. Implement effects like bloom, depth of field, or shaders using 3.js's post-processing capabilities. Physics. Integrate physics engines like Canon.js or Ammo.js for realistic interactions. Key features. Component-based architecture allows for reusable UI components. Virtual DOM enhances performance by minimizing direct DOM manipulations. State and props management facilitates dynamic data handling within components. 3.js. Purpose: a JavaScript library that simplifies the creation of 3D graphics in the browser using WebGL. Key features: easy-to-use API for rendering 3D objects, scenes, and animations. Supports various geometries, materials, and lighting effects. Integrates well with other libraries, making it suitable for interactive and immersive experiences. Combining React.js with Three.js. Integrating React.js with Three.js allows developers to build rich, interactive 3D applications. Here are some benefits and approaches. Benefits. Declarative UI. React's declarative nature makes it easy to manage 3D scenes as part of the component lifecycle. Component reusability. Create reusable 3D components that can be easily integrated into React applications. State management. Use React's state management to control 3D elements dynamically. Example approach. Setup. Install both libraries using npm. Copy. npm install React 3. Basic component. Here's a simple example of a React component using Three.js. Copy. Import React. Useref. UseEffect from React. Import asterisk as 3 from 3. Const 3 scene equals const mountref equals useref null. UseEffect equals const scene equals new 3 scene. Const camera equals new 3 perspective camera 75. Window. Inner width / window. Inner height 0, 1, 1000. Const renderer equals new 3 WebGL renderer. Renderer. Set size window. Inner width window. Inner height. Mountref current. Append child renderer. DOM element. Const geometry equals new 3 box geometry. Const material equals new 3 mesh basic material. Color 0x00ff00. Const cube equals new 3 mesh geometry. Material. Scene. Add cube. Camera. Position z equals 5. Const animate equals request animation frame animate. Cube. Rotation x plus equals 0, 0, 1. Cube. Rotation y plus equals 0, 0, 1. Renderer. Render scene. Camera. Animate. Return equals mountref current. Remove child renderer. DOM element. Return div ref equals mountref / export default 3 scene. 1. Using React 3 Fiber. React 3 Fiber is a popular React renderer for Three.js. It allows you to use Three.js in a declarative way, making it easier to integrate into React applications.